In this video, I'll be showing you how to make slutty brownies. First, you're going to need a 9x9 baking pan and a piece of parchment paper. Grab a bowl and put 1 stick of room temperature unsalted butter in the bowl. Then add 1/2 cup brown sugar and 1/4 cup granulated sugar. Blend that together with a hand mixer so that it's light and fluffy. It takes about 2 minutes. Scrape your sides of the bowl and then add 1 egg and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Blend that all together until smooth. Add 1½ cups of all-purpose flour. Add 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Lastly, add 1 cup of milk chocolate chips. Move your fully mixed cookie dough into the pan and then press gently with your fingers, creating an even layer. In a separate bowl, add 1 stick of unsalted melted butter and 3/4 cup of granulated sugar. You're going to want to mix that together for about a minute. Mix in 1/4 cup of light brown sugar, a 1/2 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour. Lastly, 1 tablespoon of milk. I use 0%. Take your cookie dough, and then we're gonna add some double stuffed Oreos to it. I added about 18, and I'm just gonna line them up so that I cover all of the cookie dough. For the small spaces that are not covered, I'm gonna crush 1 to 2 Oreos and fill them in. The last step before adding it to the oven, I'm going to take my brownie mixture and pour it all over so that I can't see any of the Oreos or cookie dough. After it's fully covered, I'm going to put it in the oven for 35 minutes on 350 degrees. So here is it fully cooked. I'm going to let it cool for 2 to 4 hours. Now that it's fully cooled, I'm going to remove it from the pan, and you're going to want to take the parchment papers off the side, and then you can cut it into however many pieces that you would like. So here's the final result of the brownies. I thought it was fun and simple to make. You can also pair them with a glass of milk or some vanilla ice cream.